UK Gurdwara Alliance has been officially launched in Parliament at an event to mark the 20th anniversary of the All-Party Parliamentary Group for British Sikhs. The UK Gurdwara Alliance is a UK-wide Gurdwara body providing a collective voice for over 200 UK Gurdwaras. 25 leading Gurdwaras across 12 regions are responsible for consulting and coordinating all Gurdwaras in their region and across the UK. Gurpreet Singh Anand, the president at Central Gurdwara, Khalsa Jata, London told ministers, MPs and peers gathered that the UK government must change the way they engage with the Sikh community.
Matter most. Now, look, I must be incredibly neutral as the Deputy Speaker. I'm no longer allowed to be a member of all party parliamentary groups, and I tell everybody that one of the first APPGs I joined back in 2010 was the APPG for Sikhs, and people looked at me a little confused.